my name is Sacho Hernandez, and my partner is Kamala Anderson Jones, and this is an adaptation for the K through 6 learning age. We have another word problem that is adapted from our first word problem, and we will be analyzing how to solve and analyze, persevere, and make sense of problems in this example.
So today we're going to talk about birthdays.
Birthdays. Who here has a birthday this month? You do. My birthday's next month. But this word problem also has a birthday involved. And we'll be talking about what our friend Jane got for her birthday.
On September the 18th, for her birthday, Jane received 23 pieces of mail, including packages, gift cards, letters, and magazines. If Jane received 3 gift cards and 5 magazines, how many letters and packages did she receive? So today we're going to talk about, we already talked about birthdays, and that's when someone was born, and we're going to talk about packages. And a package is something that you receive that's wrapped up, or a gift. And then we're going to talk about letters, and letters is something that's written for a specific purpose to a person. So, and then we're going to talk about addition and subtraction in our problem today. And we're going to use a math bond to figure out how many letters and how many packages Jane received. So, what do we already know in our problem? We know that she received how many gift cards?
3 gift cards.
And how many magazines?
5 magazines.
So our whole is 23, and we're gonna put 3 and 5 in our math bonds. And we know that 3 plus 5 equals 8. So we know that 3 plus 5 equals 8. Then our subtraction problem, we can subtract 8 from the whole, which is 23, subtract 8, and then we'll get what number?
We'll get 15, right class? Yes.
So after we subtract 50 and we get our number 15, then we can use this same number 8 and put it in our math bond already. So we can either say 8 plus what equals 15, or we can say 15 minus 8 equals what? So we're going to do our subtraction. So if we take 8 away from 15, what's that going to leave us with? So let's count backwards. 8 spaces.
14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7.
7. So what will we put in here? 8 plus 7 equals 15. So to finish filling out our math bond, we would put a 7 in the other one, and that should all equals 23. So let's add this. 8 plus 15 equals what?
23.
23. So we know that Jane received 8 packages and 7 letters. And so for our ELL learners, we would use the pictures that would coincide with the words in the problem, so that they could put a picture in their mind and be able to still read this if they were having problems reading the English language, and if they were having problems counting, they could count the actual pictures.
All right, class, so now you're going to get into groups of 3, and we'll have some math balance on the board so you guys can practice. After that, we will have these worksheets available for you up at the front, so you can practice making different combinations of 15. In our problem, we had 8 packages and 7 letters, but there are different combinations you can get for 15. So that is up here.
And then we're going to come back together, and we're going to review by doing some other math bonds and some other math problems, and then you'll be giving a worksheet so that we can see how well you learned to use your math bonds and how well you learned addition and subtraction.